So you've learned the words, you've practiced the pronunciation, you can confidently look at your Ukrainian partner and say "Я тебе кохаю." But what if I told you there are expressions in Ukrainian that can hit even harder? In this video, I'm going to share 3 Ukrainian phrases that I think are even more powerful than I love you. And they'll help you show a completely different level of connection. You probably learned the big one, the difference between люблю and кохаю. As a quick refresher, я люблю тебе, it's the love for your family, friends, or even a great plate of borscht. It's warm and essential, and some people even use it romantically. But then there is я кохаю тебе. This one is almost exclusively for the deep, romantic, passionate love. Knowing when to use кохаю is a huge step, but the journey doesn't stop there. So if you are ready to express a love that is deep, resilient, and uniquely Ukrainian, let's get into our first phrase. Picture this, it's not a perfect sunny day. Maybe your partner is facing a huge challenge at work, or just feels lost and overwhelmed. And in that moment, you can look at the eyes, hold the hand of your partner and say, Я завжди буду поруч. Let's break it down. Я means I. Завжди, always. Буду, I will be. Поруч, beside you, by your side. So it means I will always be by your side. In a crisis, it's so much more powerful than I love you. Because it's not just about a feeling, it's a promise of action. When you say Я завжди буду поруч, you are showing a love that isn't just for good times, but is a shelter in the storm. Okay, let's shift from the moment of challenge to a moment of pure peace. You are with your partner and the rest of the world just melts away. You tell them they are the only one, but in the way that sounds like destiny. You say Ти моя єдина if you are talking to a woman, and Ти мій єдиний if you are talking to a man. So ти means you. Моя and me mean my. To learn more about possessive pronouns, check the video on my channel about it. I leave the link in the description below. And let's continue. Єдина or єдиний means the only one, the sole one. So this phrase we can translate as you are my only one. This phrase has a feeling of romantic finality to it. It speaks to the idea of soulmate. It's a phrase that closes the door on the rest of the world and says, right here, it's just you and me. Alright, we are about to get to our final and maybe the most profound phrase. Before we get to it, if you are finding this helpful and want to explore more of the Ukrainian language, please take a second and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. It really helps me keep making more videos like this, and you won't miss out on our future lessons. Now we get to the highest level of intimacy. This isn't a phrase for the early passionate days of a relationship. The phrase is Ти моя рідна for a woman and Ти мій рідний for a man. If you check the translation of рідна or рідний in a dictionary, it might just say native. To get the real power of рідний, рідна, you have to know the root word рід. Рід means kin, clan, lineage. It's the foundation of the word родина, which means family. When you call someone Ти моя рідна or Ти мій рідний, you are elevating them to the status of family. It's like saying you are my people, you belong with me. So when you use it with a romantic partner, it means the relationship has become a true family bond. Let's quickly recap the journey we took today. Moving beyond Я тебе кохаю into a deeper territory of connection. First we have Я завжди буду поруч. Second, ти моя єдина, ти мій єдиний. And the third one, ти моя рідна, ти мій рідний. Language isn't just a bunch of words. It's how we share our culture, our history, and our deepest emotions. These phrases are powerful, so they should be used with real intention and sincerity. If you are finding my lessons helpful, you can support my channel on Buy Me a Coffee. The link is right there in the description. Thank you so much for joining me today. See you soon. Bye-bye.